shoot out here today. This is absolutely crazy. A few days ago it was quite warm. I'll see you inside. Okay, so that was absolutely crazy. First, I went out front for a couple of minutes just to check things out. Then I went out back and I took a couple of pictures, and then I went back out front because I wanted to get some pictures of the snow blowing over the road and the park in the back. By the time I got back out front, less than 5 minutes later, all of my footsteps were gone. And it took me 10 minutes to walk 3 houses up. That's how bad the wind is, and the hail and everything was just, it was painful. So it was very short, and it was kind of fun. Now I just want to let you know I'm going to be doing a collaboration with someone this coming week, and his name is Teddy Wanderer, and he is really awesome, a really great photographer based in the UK. And we're really excited to bring you some signs of spring amidst the gray. So stay tuned for that, and we will talk to you soon. Bye guys.